Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how last month we took this community from 0 to $23,976 in monthly recurring revenue in just 18 days to win the school games. So we started with no offer, no audience, and there was only 18 days left in the school games to win. So here's the community we helped scale. As you can see, we got about $24,000 in monthly recurring revenue and placed 8 in the December school games. So we did this with a very simple funnel using meta ads to get traffic into a free school community and into a paid community. So that's the first part of the funnel, is we created 2 communities, one free, one paid. The offer is very simple. She's just teaching people how to buy profitable small businesses and then scale them through acquisitions. So here's the about page for the free community, which did look different at the time we were running it. So this is an updated version. And then here's the page for the paid community. So to get traffic into the free community and eventually convert people into the paid community, we started by running Facebook ads, but we need to give people an incentive to join because Facebook ads saying join my community is not strong enough. So we put a lead magnet inside of the free community, and that was basically just a free masterclass on how to get started with acquisitions. And then the about page had to get optimized. So we plugged in some graphics, added some about page copy for both the free and the paid. And then we installed one metapixel to track conversions in both communities. So we created one pixel and then we plugged it into the free and the paid. And this lets us track who visits the free page, who registers for the free community, and then eventually whoever converts, so we can track the return on ad spend. So after we had the pixel installed, we had to start testing ads. So I went ahead and made 5 different image ads, and I used the same graphic for all 5. So we used the selfie, we put the community logo down here, and then we put 3 bullets. And then we were able to test a lot of different headlines very quickly by just changing out the text at the top right here. And then we ran that for at least 5 different variations. I believe we ran a few more. And then we also did 5 different videos. And the videos were very simple too. They were all recorded with an iPhone camera in portrait mode, and they were very simple. It would just say something like, hey, are you looking to acquire your first business in 2025? Get my free masterclass, click the link below. So it was, hey, are you this person? We started with a call out. And then do you want this desired result, acquire a business? And then a call to action, click the link below to join the community or to get the free lead magnet. So we started running all these 10 creatives on a brand new ad account, so the pixel had to get warmed up and we had no audiences to work with. So we were basically testing 10 different angles, and then I ran them through a decision tree to decide if the ads were going to work or if we need to shut them down. So each ad got at least $20 in spend, and then we would look and see, does the ad have any clicks? And if not, we would kill the ad. If it does have clicks, then we'll see if the ad spend is at least 1 to 2 times the max cost per registration KPI. So cost per registration is how much it costs to get one person to register for the free community. And the KPIs for that in a B2B offer is $5 to $30, and a B2C $2 to $20 is what you're looking for. So if the ad already spent at least $20 and it had clicks, then we'll see if it spent at least about $30. And if it did have any registrations or opt-ins for the free school community, we would go on to the next step, was to check if the ad has spent at least 3 times the max KPI. So now we would wait to see if the ad spent at least $60, and then we'll see if the registrations are within the max KPI. And that basically means if it costs over $20 to get one person to join the free community, then we kill the ad. If it costs less than $20, then we kept the ad. And once we found ads that did that, we had about 4 of them that worked, and we're getting leads for anywhere between $5 and $15, and then we ran with those, and we scaled the ones that were getting the lowest cost per lead. So after we put more spend into the ads that were within KPI, we were able to create a custom audience based off of the people who viewed the about page of the free community and who joined the free community. And we used that custom audience to make a lookalike audience. So basically people who are similar to the people who already joined. And then we ran these same ads to the new lookalike audience to drive costs even lower. And then we also made a custom audience of just people who viewed the about page. And we retargeted that audience with very simple ads where it was just a selfie, and then the copy said something along the lines of, hey, I saw you were checking out the acquisitions community, click here to join. And then that would get more people into the free community. And once they were in the free community, we would run webinars and have DMs going out to people to get them on calls. And those were sales calls where we were selling the offer. So we would run ads straight to the webinar opt-in page, and people would opt in, get on the webinar, and from there they would book a call, and that would lead to sales. And that's how we added $24,000 in monthly recurring revenue to that brand new community with no prior audience and no offer.